can hear the angels calling us. We can
These dry shorts. We going to the beach.
yeah.
My dry pants.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
y'all come on, y'all gonna miss the beach.
Yeah. Yeah. Bobby Valentino. Yeah, we can hear the angels calling us. We can see the sunrise before us. Yeah, and we don't mean a thing. I make the body say, you know what I mean?
Good morning, y'all. Okay, so listen, we about to get ready to head to the beach, and I don't too much care for the swimsuit I got on, but I'm a bad back. I'm gonna show y'all, and I just threw this cover up on because I don't have anything else to go with this. I just purchased this swimsuit from Walmart. It was on sale for $8, so I was like, okay. So this is the swimsuit. It's like this metallic, metallic champagne color. And I just decided to put this black over it. I probably could have just put some blue jean shorts on top of it and just went like that, but oh, and then let me show you another option. So I got this green snake one that I got off of Shein. Or was it Fashion Nova? One of them. And it got this little wrap to it. But I wore this with a black swimsuit already. Now there's a possibility I could have put this one on and then put this black thing on top of it. But yeah, when it come down to a two-piece, I just be like, don't worry about it. Just don't worry about it. Now, as far as jewelry, I don't know what color I want to do. It's like really, I don't too much care. Cause we're gonna go to the beach. I might do gold. We're gonna go to the beach. I'm not gonna be studying no jewelry, but I don't want to lose my hoops, so I may just go and put some studs in. So far, so good. Trip has been amazing. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do studs. Even though the hoops was still cute, I'm gonna do studs. Yeah, we're gonna do studs. And as far as ankle bracelets, I don't know. Okay, so I can't use no good necklace. I'm gonna have to find a decent necklace that I just don't too much care about if it change colors or if I lose it. So ooh, okay. So we're gonna put this one. I don't know, y'all. I just feel like you're supposed to be 6 on the beach, but then again, it's like, what's the point? What was the reason? What was the reason?
I had a reason.
What was the reason?
I had a reason.
What was the
I
reason?
just I just explained the reason.
What was the reason, bitch?
I don't need to explain my...
I don't know. What if I did this? Okay. This got a little vibe to it. I like this. We're gonna go with that one. See, sometimes all you gotta do is just try something on. Cause if you just looking at it, then it ain't gonna work. Okay. Yeah. So we're probably gonna put this bracelet on.
Sorry, Mama.
Alright, got a little bracelet.
Stop, bro.
I need to tighten it up a little bit, but anyway, I'm gonna put my ankle bracelet on.
Mama on video. Oh, it's on my head.
What bag you taking?
Nike till I have all our stuff in. The Nike bag.
Okay, I don't know which shoe I want to wear. I don't know if I want to do this white one, but this white got silver in it. Or I just want to do these little black ones. Because I'm saving my cute black ones.
What area?
She got some shorts on.
Well, she gonna take that. She can just
She
put
need
that
a
back
shirt.
on what she got on.
No, I don't know how. I think the black one's gonna work.
The black ones. I like the black ones.
Mama, I want my backpack short because I don't like it long. It's gonna fall off easily. You help me fix this? I don't know what's wrong with it.
What are you trying to do?
Do we have to pay for this coffee? We got two.
Don't
and
drink.
then that one don't.
It's not coffee in here.
What are you trying to do?
Sit on my back. I want it long.
Do we have to pay to make some?
It's made short. She trying to make it long.
Do we have to pay to make some?
That
You
better.
don't fuck with the coffee.
I
Okay,
don't know
please.
how weird.
You want it on your back like this?
Yeah.
We finna go.
You can get a big Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drip, they said it back in the morning. I put a new Patek, I had to watch, so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. Your car, you just a listen, you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that 500 performing. Can't just came in and all runners. Vibes look cute, shit, they all on us. From Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't keep coming. Whenever I tell her to come, she come. Whenever it's broke, we ain't earning. Just too hard, no stand too close. You won't fuck around the time. Off these plays, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, don't care where I go. Soon as I get paid, bad little fire. She been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight.
should have went to Dollar Tree.
To get what?
Sand buckets.
It was something far below.
I didn't even cross my mind. It's something back there finna walk up.
Wait, do we got
$5. Don't the thing say it's $5?
Don't do that up high.
Yeah.
Do that down low. Just your hand down low. The wind blowing. I'm blowing.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Are they able to raise up?
Yeah. Bobby Valentino. Yeah, we can hear the angels calling us. We can see the sunrise before
right here,
us.
y'all.
Yeah, when I'm in that thing, I make that body sing. You know what I mean? Hey. Like a cop car. Hey. I make it sing. Going to buck in the latest drive. Got stopped by a lady cop. She got me thinking I could date a cop. Cause her uniform pants were so tight. She read me my rights. She put me in a call. She caught her for the light. She said I have the right to remain silent. Now I gotta holler. Sounding like a siren. Talking about. Yeah. And I know she the law. And she know I'm the ball. And she know I get high. Above the law. And she know I'm wrong. She know I'm from the street. And all she want me to do is fuck the police. Talking about. I said, lady, what's your number? She said 911. Emergency only. Head doctor perform surgery on me. Yeah, and now I'm healed. I make her wear nothing but handcuffs and heels. Then I beat it like a cop. Rodney King, baby, yeah, I beat it like a cop. Beat it like a cop. Rodney King, baby, say I beat it like a cop. But I ain't trying to be violent, but I do the time. But her love is timeless. Mrs. Officer, I know you wish your name was Mrs. Called, like a cop car.
Look at the seashell.
Angels calling us. We can see the sunrise before us. And when I'm in that thing, I make that body sing.
Well, never mind. Drop it in the water. You better not drop that phone. It gonna be gone. Yeah, your phone gonna be broken. Go ahead, Dolphin. Oh, this is cold. I thought it was supposed to be warm. Oh, baby, that water cold. That water cold. That water is cold. Oh my God. You found a seashell? Y'all, please be careful. Do not dip down, no type of way.
I got you. Come on.
Baby. Why it's so prettier over there though?
Man, straight seashell, man.
Oh.
Stand up. I saw you stand up. I got you. Come on. Hold my hand, Aaron. It's okay. It's okay. I got you. I'm not going that far.
Chilling with the young.
Don't go that far.
Oh Jesus, look. I don't care. They don't need to go down there. That's it. Stay right there. It's the real wave pool. I don't give a fuck.
Pick up, get your hands in the air. It's a stick up, shake it
Just
down.
go.
Move it quicker, yeah, I'm shaking down the town. Get the picture. I'm moving on the floor, gotta love that. How she keep it going on, gotta love that. To the beat like a pro, don't you love that? Shake it to the floor, gotta love that. Get your ass on the dance floor, dance on the dance floor. Move 'em out the way.
Look, man, that way out there.
You ain't got to ask, keep it on. Don't need my permission, y'all heard what you waiting on.
That way out there. Kaylin, please be careful. Oh yeah. We've been walking around collecting shells since we've been here. And we found a decent size, like a lot of different sizes. No, just looking for shells.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. So Hubby doesn't want me to get the small ones. He's just like, look for the big one, look for the big one. He found a real cute big one. Oh, here go another black one. I've been looking for black ones. Ooh, that water cold. No. I found another one that's like a big one. It's actually shaped like a shell. That one right there, pick up.
I would like to get to know if I could be
Put your hand in the water.
kind of